So for us, it's allowing customers to understand what's special about the different technologies and what the benefits of these technologies will have in the way that they currently live and use technology at home. I think our personal frustrations in running a vision department are really communicating what the different benefits of the different technologies across this kind of massive range that we have. You know, we've got these stores, we've got all of these TV panels, but it's really hard to show customers what the technologies can do to benefit the way that they consume content at home. My name's Jake Kumar, I'm a retail marketing manager and I focus on projects and innovations in the store environment. So from a business perspective, I think we're judged on our ability to marry customers with the right technology for them. The only way that we can do that in a department like this is by giving customers the ability to experience technology working at its full potential. So the biggest problem with playback in material at the moment is, for example, if you've got a HDR TV and a non-HDR TV next to each other playing the same content, you have to play non-HDR content and the HDR TV is underperforming and not showing itself in its best light. Incorrect POS is a problem in real terms, quite simply because we're required to give our customers the right information all the time, and if we don't, then that's ultimately going to lead in lost revenue and also loss of customer trust. So Vision on Chip, in simple terms, is a software-based solution that replaces the need for hardware to display content on TVs in the store. Vision on Chip stands to change the way that we deal with POS by meaning that we can change tickets centrally and dynamically. This is particularly beneficial during high-volume trading periods, such as Black Friday, because it means that we can be reactive to the market without needing our colleagues to come away from doing what they do best, and that's talking to customers. Future-proofing is really important. Right now, we're living in a 4K world, but tomorrow it'll be 8K, and if we're using media players, they're going to be limited to whatever the best they can do on the day that they're bought. So Vision on Chip is going to change this because it's a software solution. And what that means is that we're not limited by any external or third-party hardware that we might have to use. The TV is always displaying the absolute best that it can. Playing optimal content helps us with sales because it means that we can use a TV to the best of its ability. We can show off the best of the best technology that TVs might have, and it means that customers are more likely to believe in the benefits of these technologies in their own life. So the savings we're set to enjoy ultimately are hardware. To do a hardware rollout on an estate of our size can cost millions. Now we're just paying for software and it's future-proofed. It helps us with upselling by enabling us to compare and contrast different models directly in a range so customers can see the benefit of a more expensive or a more premium model. QR codes and interactivity post-COVID are something that people are really up for. Customers being able to choose their own content through our QR codes helps us massively because it allows us to pinpoint customer needs within the journey. If they're a gamer and they choose gaming content, it means that our colleagues can easier match them up to the right TV for what they're using it for, similar for an avid moviegoer or anything else. So it's a really powerful tool for us to be able to use and understand what customers are interacting with on the QR code through our screens. We can then use that data to allow them to continue the shopping experience by retargeting that information into PPC advertising. So in terms of managing the system, we were given the option of either managing it ourselves through a CMS or having it managed for us. We opted for managing the system ourselves. Vision on Chip is a game changer in terms of keeping our stores up to date, keeping our prices accurate, and making sure that we're always displaying the best technology without having to face the hardware costs as new technology becomes available.